In this video, I'm going to show you how to add filters in Excel using two easy methods. Firstly, let's open a document. This is a multi-column table that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to add filters to the headers of the columns. To add them, select the table. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the menu bar, click on Table. In the pop-up menu, make sure that the My Data Has Headers option is marked. Click on OK. Here you can see that filters are now added to my column headers. Using these filters, you can do many things, such as if you select A to Z, your data will be sorted alphabetically. There is another way to add filters to the column headers. Select any of the column headers. From the title bar, click on Data. From the menu bar, click on Filters. Here, you can see that filters are now added to my column headers. You can work with them just like I have shown you before.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.